Bhaktivinoda Thakur is known as seventh Goswami. He is known as seventh Goswami after 6 Goswamis because he wrote so many nice songs. So many nice songs and books. All this philosophy is there in this song, Vaishnava philosophy. Vastuta sakali tava jiva keha noy. Aham mama bhrame bhrami bhogye soko bhoy. Aham mama abhimana ei matra dhana baddha jiva nija boli jane mane mana. Sei abhimane ami sansare padiya habudu kai bhosindu santariya. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, oh Lord, factually everything belongs to you. Nothing belongs to jiva. Nothing belongs to jiva. Even jiva belongs to you. Do you understand? Aham mama bhrame bhrami. Because of this delusion, I and mine, he is, what do you say, undergoing lakhs and lakhs of species of life here in this material world, evolving in this cycle of birth and death, and suffering from this birth, death, old age and disease. Because of this aham mama bhav, I and mine, this moha, delusion. Understand? Aham mama abhimana ei matra dhana baddha jiva nija boli jane mana. Baddha jiva conditioned soul. Develop this I and mine, this abhimana. Do you understand? The delusion. And say, oh, this home is mine, hearth is mine, landed property is mine, family is mine, wife is mine, son is mine, daughter is mine, friends are mine, kith and kin are mine, country is mine, brothers is mine, friends, everything mine. I am the monarch of all I serve. Yes. I am the monarch of all I serve. Oh yes, all mine. This is delusion, the delusion so deep-rooted. This Baddha Jiva conditioned soul develops a delusion and thinks everything is. Actually, everything belongs to Krishna. It's Krishna's property. Only due to this abhiman, this, what do you say, delusion, false ego, is fallen here in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence and have been drowning and drowning here from time immemorial, cannot cross out of this dreadful ocean, Bhavasindu Santari. Therefore, what to do? Tomar abhaya pade loya sarana aji ami korilam atmanivedana, O Lord. Today, I completely surrender myself at your lotus feet. Your lotus feet where there is no fear of Abhaya-sarana Aravinda. Today I completely surrender myself at your lotus feet. Completely I am surrendered unto you. I completely belong to you. Nothing I and mine now. You understand? Aham mama abhimana sarila amai. Arjanama hrudetananayam. This aham mama, this an I and mine, is completely, I give up. I completely kick it off from today. Taking shelter at your lotus feet. Completely surrendering at your lotus feet. I completely kick off all this I and mine. Ei matra bala prabhu diveha hamare ahanta manta dure pari rakhi pare. Do you understand? Please, is begging, is praying for this mercy. Please bestow such mercy on me, merciful strength unto me, that I will be able to kick off this I and mine forever. It will never again enter into my heart. Do you understand? Without your merciful strength, I cannot kick it off. It is so deep-rooted. You understand? It is so deep-rooted. Without your merciful strength, O Lord, I cannot kick it off. Therefore, he is begging this strength. Please give me the strength, merciful strength. So I will be able to kick it off, this I and mine forever. Ei matra bala prabhu dibe amar. Ahanta mamata dure pare rakhibare. Atmanivedana bhava hruday dura hoy. Hosti snan samajana kheniko na hoy. Let this attitude of surrender, Atmanivedan. You understand? Very strong in me, unshakable. Let it be unshakable. Do you understand my language? Let it be unshakable, this mood of Atmanivedan, surrender. Be unshakable, very strong in me. Do you understand? Hasti snan samadhana kheniko na hoy. Please bestow such mercy on me. Please inculcate such merciful strength on me that this mood of surrender will be there forever in me. It should not be temporary, fleeting, like the bathing of an elephant. Hasti snan samadhana. Elephant enters into a lake or river, bathes nicely, cleanses his body nicely, all dirt, all filthy things. As soon as gets out of river and lake, again puts the dirt and filth on his body. Then what is the value of such bath? Hasti snan, bathing of an elephant is temporary. Is temporary. Do you understand? Again the same dirty body. So let us not this mood of Atmanivedan, this surrender, be like that in me, such temporary. Let it be very strong and unshakable in me. Please inculcate such merciful strength on me, thereby I will be able to keep up this mood in my heart forever. And it will never be like that, as temporary as the bath of an elephant. He begs mercy. Bhaktivinoda Thakur begs mercy at the lotus feet of Krishna. Bhakti Vinoda Prabhu Nityananda Pai, Mage Prasad Jai Abhimana Jai. Bhakti Vinoda Prabhu, especially Prasad begs mercy at the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. At Nityananda Prabhu. Prabhu Nityananda Pai, Magi Prasad Jai Abhimana Jai. Oh Lord Nityananda, please give me a very strong kick on my head. Yes, that's Nityananda's mercy. Lord Nityananda will give you a kick. Then forever it will go away. This I and mine, this Abhiman. Do you understand? False ego, false prestige and delusion. Without Nityananda's mercy, Nityananda's kicking, it will be as temporary as the bathing of an elephant.